So here's my solution. And the key to my solution is a list of deltas of differences in the states that correspond to these moves. So what do I mean by that? One thing we can do is send 2 missionaries from a side with a boat to the other side. That would be a difference of 2 in the missionaries. We would add 2 to one side and subtract 2 from the other side, and not change at all the number of cannibals, and change the number of boats by 1. Or we could send 2 cannibals, or we could send 1 of each, or we could send only 1 missionary or cannibal. So there's 5 possible moves, basically, depending on where the boat is. And that's what Csuccessors says. First, we check for states with no successors. If there are more cannibals than missionaries, but there are some missionaries, then they're going to get eaten, and so we return the empty dictionary as a result. Otherwise, we're going to collect up a number of items in our dictionary, and we're going to do that by going through these deltas and subtracting the deltas from the side where the boat is and adding them in to the other side. And we have 2 directions we can go, from left to right, start to the other side, or from the other side back to the original side. And I made use here of vector addition and subtraction. So I take the current state, which is 6 numbers, and I add or subtract these deltas. And that's what these definitions say. Now, it would be nice if this type of vector arithmetic was built into Python, and there are versions called numeric Python where you can do that. But here, I had to write these functions myself.